Let's talk about Shibadoge token. Now, what is the worth of 200 quadrillion tokens of Shibadoge? How much can you make in return? What will be the ROI as of the time of recording this video if you decide to buy 200 quadrillion tokens of Shibadoge? How much can you make with such amount of tokens? And in fact, how much do you need right now at the time of recording this video? How much you need to buy such amount of tokens? Now, before we talk about more about Shibadoge, you need to let me quickly give you the predictions. But kindly know these predictions we normally do kind of research. We collect information from different experts, different crypto traders around the world. Then we now analyze on whatever they think about all these coins before we now further research. Now, this prediction is based on technical and fundamental analysis. Now, you need about $34 at the time of recording this video in order to buy 200 quadrillion tokens of Shibadoge. Okay, well, $34 is not that much, and it's still that much for some people, but remember, you just need to invest what you can afford to lose. You can even invest $5, $1, $2, whatever you feel like. Okay, now, what is the worth of this 200 quadrillion changes? Now, according to our predictions today, the worth of 200 quadrillion tokens of Shibadoge. Now, if Shibadoge loses 1 zero, then your $34 will be worth about $338 in 2025. Now, if Shibadoge goes ahead and loses 2 zeros, then the money will be worth about $3,420. Now, the first prediction is what a lot of people expect Shibadoge, at least before the end of 2025. They expect Shibadoge that is trading with about 15 zeros to actually lose at least 1 zero before the end of 2025. And when that happens, you are going to make over $300 profit. But Shibadoge is also being expected to even lose 2 or 3 zeros before the end of 2025, because people are finding Shibadoge interesting based on that Shibadoge have a lot of zeros right now. Imagine Shibadoge having over 15 zeros. People want to take this advantage. People don't want to miss the way they miss on Shiba Inu. People don't want to miss the way they miss on Floki Inu, on Dogecoin. People really believe now this is the time we need to really buy some coins. Now, let me tell you one thing to understand. The market cap of Shibadoge at the time of recording this video is about $6.4 million. Yes, actually, it has actually dropped. Based on last week, it was actually trading over $7 million, and right now the market cap has dropped down to $6.4 million. Well, we are hoping for WHALES to still have interest on Shibadoge like they did as of 2 weeks ago, and we are hoping for other crypto exchange to list Shibadoge, Robinhood to list Shibadoge, Binance to list Shibadoge, Coinbase and other top crypto exchange. If they can list Shibadoge, believe it, Shibadoge is going to massively increase in price. In fact, Shibadoge might be losing over 2 to 3 zeros before the end of 2025. Now, one thing you need to understand about crypto industry is that the longer you hold, the more opportunity you might become a millionaire if you invest on different coins. I mean, mostly smaller coins, but remember, investing a little. I have a friend of mine who, instead of investing $200 on 1 or 2 coins, he will rather invest on 200 coins, so on 20 coins, investing $10 on each coin. He believes if this one did not work out, this one might work out. In fact, if one of those smaller cap coins with a lot of zeros start trading, and in the longer period, if one can really increase in price like Shiba Inu, he believes it's going to make a lot of profit. And that actually worked for him because one of the coins really gave him a lot of money. And then what Shiba does to me is still good, but you just need to do further research before taking our own decision. Please kindly know this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Once again, thank you for stopping by.